We're
Default
going to
text.
search for the Texas Education Agency on Google.
Once we're on the Texas Education Agency website, we'll search for STAAR release test questions. We'll then select the 2022 tab and from there, choose the grade level 3rd, 4th, and so on to locate the math test form. We now have access to the 2022 math test questions. Let's solve them one by one. Use do those same steps again for 4th, 5th, 6th, 7th, and 8th grade.
A movie theater has 710 seats. 158 seats are red. 247 seats are black. 119 seats are yellow. The rest of the seats are green. How many seats are green? First added the numbers of red seats, black seats, and yellow seats. 158 plus 247 plus 119, 524. Then subtracted the sum of the red seats, black seats, and yellow seats from the total number of seats in the movie theater, 710, 524, or 186. So A is the correct answer. Question number 18. Ms. Gonzalez is putting square stickers on a rectangular poster. Each sticker has an area of 1 square inch. There are 8 stickers on each row, and the figure shows 7 rows. The area equals width times length. Hence, we have 7 times 8 equals 56. So F is the correct answer. Question number 19. 4 students with number cards want to line up from left to right in order from least to greatest number. Aaron and Rico are in the right order, but since Penelope's number is higher than Olivia's, Penelope needs to be moved to the right of Olivia. So C is the correct answer. Question number 20. Dahlia sold pineapples at a fruit stand. The table shows the number of pineapples Dahlia had for sale each week and the number of customers she expected to come to her fruit stand. In which week did Dahlia most likely sell her pineapples for the highest price? The number of available pineapples was less than the expected number of customers. Week 4 was when pineapples were at the highest price. So J is the correct answer.